What's up everyone, it's Sofan from TechCycle. In this video we are going to start a new series where I'm going to explain about a topic in 1 minute or under 16 seconds. And about this series I'm not going to go into deep, that is in-depth detail about that topic. I'm going to do the practical aspect of that topic, that is the way you can understand very fast. That is, it's going to be in 1 minute, so it's going to be like that. So let's begin. So the first topic of this series is going to be about ISO, that is camera ISO. I don't know why I choose this, but it is in my mind for about 3-4 days, and I'm like that. I want to do a video on that, So I'm going to do the video now. So first of all, just throw 1 minute on the clock and begin. So about talking about ISO. ISO is the measure of sensitivity of image sensor to the light. You don't need that, I'm not going to explain that. For me, ISO will control two things: noise and brightness of the image. Noise, if the ISO value is very less, that is 50 or 100, you will get a less noise image. If it is 100, that is if it's 1000 or 2000 or 3000 or 12000, you will get a high noise images. It is same for the brightness. That is in the case of brightness, if it is very low, you will get a black image. If it is very high, you will get a bright image. So to get a great image, you need to set the ISO value to a range medium. That is, try to make the ISO value to very less so that you can get a good less noise image, and just increase shutter speed, increase shutter speed and other thing, aperture, so you can get a great image. So that's all about the ISO. I think I didn't cross 1 minute. That's all about the ISO in 1 minute. Thanks for watching guys. Like, share, subscribe, all good stuff, and dislike if you don't like bad stuff. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in next one. I'm waiting.